Professional organizers can transform any chaotic room into a perfectly organized space in just a few hours, using techniques that anyone can master. Today, you're going to learn these exact methods that have revolutionized thousands of homes worldwide. The secret isn't having expensive storage solutions or spending days decluttering. Professional organizers follow a specific system that works every single time, regardless of the room size or how messy things have become. This system is called the space method, and it's about to change how you approach organization forever. Let's start with the first step, sort, but here's where most people go wrong. They try to organize items while they're still mixed together. Professional organizers never do this. Instead, they remove absolutely everything from the space first. Yes, everything. This might seem counterintuitive, especially when you're looking at a room that's already messy, but there's psychological magic happening here. When you empty a space completely, your brain can finally see the potential. You're not trying to work around existing chaos. You're starting with a clean slate. Professional organizers call this the reset moment, and it's when the real transformation begins. Now comes the sorting phase, and here's the professional secret. Create only 3 initial categories. Keep, donate, and trash, that's it. Don't create subcategories yet. Don't worry about where things will go, just make these 3 piles. This prevents decision fatigue, which is the #1 reason people abandon organizing projects halfway through. Professional organizers have a 20-second rule for this phase. If you can't decide what to do with an item within 20 seconds, it automatically goes in the donate pile. This might sound harsh, but here's the reality. If you can't quickly identify why you need something, you probably don't need it. The second step is purge, and this is where professionals get ruthless in the kindest way possible. They ask 3 specific questions about every item in the keep pile. First, have you used this in the past year? Second, does this item serve a current purpose in your life? Third, would you buy this item again today if you didn't already own it? If the answer to any of these questions is no, the item moves to the donate pile. Professional organizers know that keeping items just in case creates clutter, not organization. They've seen countless homes where just-in-case items fill entire closets, while people can't find the things they actually use daily. Here's a professional insight that might surprise you. The average household uses only 20% of what they own on a regular basis. That means 80% of your belongings are just taking up space. Professional organizers help clients identify and keep only that essential 20%, plus a small buffer for seasonal or occasional items. Now we move to the third step, assign. This is where professional organizers think completely differently than most people. They don't assign homes to items based on where they've always been stored. Instead, they assign homes based on frequency of use and logical workflow. The most frequently used items get the most accessible spots. This seems obvious, but think about your own spaces. Are your most used items in the easiest to reach locations? Professional organizers call prime real estate the areas between your shoulders and your knees within arm's reach. This is where your daily essentials should live. Items used weekly get secondary locations, monthly items go higher up or lower down, and seasonal items get the least accessible spots. This hierarchy system ensures that your space works with your natural habits instead of against them. Professional organizers also follow the proximity principle. Items used together should be stored together. Sounds simple, but most people violate this rule constantly. Your coffee maker, coffee, filters, and mugs should all be in the same area. Your cleaning supplies should be stored near where you clean most often, not scattered throughout the house. The fourth step is contain, and here's where professional organizers save their clients thousands of dollars. They don't buy containers first. They contain items using what's already available, then identify what additional storage solutions are actually needed. Cardboard boxes, small bowls, and even paper bags can serve as temporary containers while you test your new organization system. Professional organizers know that many people buy beautiful storage solutions that don't actually work for their lifestyle. By testing first with temporary containers, you discover what sizes and styles you really need. When you do buy containers, professional organizers follow the clear container rule whenever possible. When you can see what's inside, you're much more likely to maintain the organization system. Opaque containers work for items you don't need to access frequently, but clear containers are essential for everyday items. The final step is evaluate, and this is what separates professional results from amateur attempts. Professional organizers know that no organization system is perfect immediately. They build in evaluation periods to refine and adjust the system. Set a calendar reminder for 2 weeks after you organize a space. During this evaluation, notice what's working and what isn't. Are items ending up back where they used to be? That's not a failure of willpower. That's valuable information about your natural habits that should inform adjustments to the system. Professional organizers also implement the 1-minute rule during the evaluation phase. If putting something away takes longer than 1 minute, the system needs adjustment. Organization should make your life easier, not create additional obstacles. Here's the final professional secret that ensures long-term success. Maintenance becomes effortless when everything has a specific, logical home. Professional organizers don't rely on motivation or discipline to maintain organized spaces. They design systems that are so intuitive and convenient that maintaining them requires almost no extra effort. The transformation you can achieve using these professional methods isn't just about having a tidy space. It's about creating an environment that supports your best life, reduces daily stress, and gives you back the time and mental energy you've been spending searching for things or feeling overwhelmed by clutter. These 5 steps work in any room, from the smallest bathroom to the largest garage. The principles remain the same whether you're organizing a junk drawer or an entire home office. Start with one small space to build confidence, then apply these professional techniques throughout your home. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can achieve results that look professionally organized, because now you know exactly how the professionals do it. Hit subscribe for more home tips.